Hey guys, Sanzo here, and today I'm just gonna do a video reaction to a music video that I should have done a reaction to a while ago. I just never got around to doing it until now. So yeah, so this is BTOB's Beep Beep music video, and yeah, let's just take a look. Oh. Not much of a traffic jam there. What is he doing? Sunjay. Oh, so cute. Oh, look at all those car rims. Who are you? Who are you? I don't want with you. Hello. Chunk sub. In crack. This is so addicting. It's like ground dance. Oh man, I don't remember all the BTB member names. I know some of them. Oops. All I know is he's the main rapper. What's his name again? Yeah, so I recently just got into BTB, so that's why I'm still having a hard time figuring out their names. In fact, and this is Hujay? No, sorry, Sungjay. It's such a addictive move. Anyways, I hope you guys like the lighting now. At least you could see my facial reactions a little better, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, I'm in the club now. Oh, then cracking his crazy eyes there for a sec. Aww. Oh my god, look at them driving those cars. That's so funny. Oh my god, look at these guys. Such dorks. This is completely different from the style for a thriller, and oh my god, panel. Dude, it's shaky. Anyways, yeah, this is completely different from what their style was for thriller. It's nice for them to have a change. 2 tickets for oh. Looks like he got blamed. Yeah, anyway, so back to what I was talking about. This is a completely new, different style to BTB. I haven't listened to any of the older stuffs before Thriller, so I don't know if this is normally their style or if Thriller was like their if Thriller was their style to begin with. So yeah, but I really like this music video. It's fun. It's like it gets you moving. That somewhat copy of the growl dance is pretty addicting, even though I wasn't really doing it right. Anyways, but yeah, it was a very good music video, and I actually love BTB. I just need to pick up what the members' names are now. Anyways, guys, this is the first MV for today. The next MV will be uploaded maybe 3 to 4 hours after this one, depending what kind of mood I'm in. But yeah, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Sanzo out. Bye.